So this one, calculation of controlling interest, capital reserve or goodwill. That is same only. The following are the balance sheet of P Limited and Q Limited as on 31st/3/2019. Share capital of 10 each, 16 lakh and 8 lakh. So 8 lakh divided by 10 means 80,000 shares. Reserve on 1/4, so 1 lakh 20. So we are concentrating only Q Limited because P is acquiring. Profit and loss account 3 lakh 20. Current liability 3 lakh 20. Total 15 lakh 60,000. So assets also we have 11 lakh 20. So investments in shares of Q Limited, that means they are investing 8 lakh to acquire 60,000 shares of Q Limited. That means 8 lakh. Profit and loss account of Q Limited stood at 1 lakh 20,000 on 1/4/2018. So this is the balance sheet is on 31st/3, that is beginning. So last year closing balance of profit and loss account we have 1 lakh 20,000. P Limited acquired shares of Q Limited on 1/1/2019. So in between 1/4 to 31st/3/19 they acquired. That means I'll calculate month also. First, see, they are acquiring 60,000 shares. 60,000 shares. Working note: S capital of share capital of Q Limited, that is 80,000 shares of rupees 10. So we'll get 80,000 shares. So they are acquiring. They are investing 60,000 shares. Remaining should be 20,000 shares. So ratio 4040 cancel, 6:2, that is 3:1. So we are allocating all in the ratio of 3:1. 3 is controlling interest, 1 is non-controlling interest. Here they are asking controlling interest. Controlling interest, capital reserve or goodwill. So capital reserve or goodwill means how much we are investing to acquire that company, Q company. See, so ratio is 3:1. Financial year start from 1/4 to 31st/3/19, 1/4/18 to 31st/19. Date of acquisition, that is given 1/1/19. That means from 1/4 to 1/1/19 we have 9 months. After that we have 3 months. So pre-acquisition profit. Pre means up to 1/1/19. Up to 1/1/19, that is pre. After 1/1/19, that is post. So when they are acquiring on that date we need. That is called pre-capital profit. So revenue profit we are not. Capital profit is in the favor of holding company. So we'll calculate only capital profit, not revenue profit. So revenue means after 1/1. So pre-acquisition up to 1/1, that is called capital profit. So reserve on 1/4, that is in question 1/4/18 is given. So 1 lakh 20,000. So 9 divided by 12 will get 90,000. Profit and loss account on 1/4, that is also given 1 lakh 20,000. So 9 by 12, 90,000. So total profit is given in the Q Limited, that is 3 lakh 20. And that pre is 1 lakh 20, that is last year profit. So 3 lakh 20 minus 1 lakh 20 will get 2 lakh. This is profit for the year. That means 1/4 to 31st/3 we have profit of rupees 2 lakh. Last year profit we have 1 lakh 20. Total 3 lakh 20. Last year 1 lakh 20. This financial year 2 lakh. Total 3 lakh 20. Out of 2 lakh, so 9 months before, 3 months after. So 9 by 12, that is 1 lakh 50,000. If I add all together, I'll get 3 lakh 30,000. So this is capital profit. So we need controlling interest. That means out of 3 lakh 30,000, we have to bifurcate 6:2 or 3:1. Goodwill means what? How much we are paying, more or less. If less means what? That is capital reserve or cost of control. If we are paying more, that is called goodwill only. For example, see, in question consideration, purchase consideration means what? They are acquiring 60,000 shares. For that they are paying 8 lakh. Investments, they are investing 60,000 shares. That means for 6 lakh they are investing 8 lakh. So 8 lakh is cost of acquisition or purchase consideration or consideration transferred. So there is 8 lakh. They are paying that much amount to acquire 60%. That means 60%, 60,000. So face value means 60,000 of rupees 10 means 6 lakh. Again, share of capital profit. So total profit is just now we calculated, that is capital profit 3,30,000 out of 3,30,000. So this is controlling interest. 3/4 is controlling interest. So 3,30,000 into 3/4 will get 2,47,500. This should be subtracted because so this is before only. So they are paying 8 lakh. If I subtract it, so you'll get negative value only. If I am getting positive from these two, if I am subtracting, if I get negative, that is cost of control or capital reserve. Cost of control or capital reserve. If it is positive, that is goodwill. Here we are getting negative answers. From 8 lakh, if we are subtracting these two, we will get negative only. Negative means cost of control or capital reserve. If it is positive, that is called goodwill.